Hey everyone, I'm Riya Mithil and welcome back to another guide video by SellerApp. Today we're going to be looking at some inventory data that you guys are supposed to be looking at, and there's also a gift surprise in between where SellerApp is gonna offer their insights on one problem that most of the sellers face out there. So yes, let's get on to the video, but before that, we have partnered with Skubana, who is ready to be your inventory partner. Check the description box below for more information about them. And over to you, Alex, who's going to be talking about today's topic.
Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for watching today. My name is Alex, and I am a solutions engineer here at Skubana. And today, along with the SellerApp team, I'm going to be talking about the importance of having accurate inventory data. Great. So e-commerce inventory management. Inventory management software is the system for tracking, managing, and organizing an e-commerce company's inventory levels, customer orders, sales orders, shipment schedule, and more. Inventory management software allows product-based e-commerce businesses to optimize their operations by automating tasks related to online sales, bill of materials, and production processes. Inventory management is the most trusted, proven method for driving e-commerce growth. In addition to keeping tabs on your stock counts and knowing how much you're likely to sell, Skubana's inventory management software can reduce your chance of stockouts, prevent you from overstocking, and ensure you achieve customer satisfaction with every order. So some key benefits and features. Analytics and reporting. With quality analytics and reporting, not only can you understand your sales channel performance and customer habits, but you can get clarity around your cost of goods, your working capital, and your ongoing replenishment. A good inventory software, like Skubana, presents this data in an applicable and accessible way so that you can easily leverage it to your advantage. Perpetual updates. If an inventory management system features perpetual updates, it means the program is being refreshed around the clock and generating the most accurate information available. Since perpetual updates are happening in real time, they continually provide the latest inventory counts and indicate which products or SKUs are in stock at any point. Data integration. When you're using a variety of management tools to run your e-commerce business, it's important your inventory data is connected to each of the backend platforms that you're using. Skubana's e-commerce inventory software is frequently integrated with warehouse management, accounting software, asset tracking, point of sale systems, and popular marketplaces for superior functionality. Multi-channel support. Achieving flawless multi-channel operations might be easier than you think if you have a proficient inventory management software in place. Skubana's management solutions make scaling your e-commerce business much less daunting by synchronizing order, inventory, and profitability data across all channels within one convenient dashboard. As an e-commerce retailer, few things are worse than encountering an unforeseen and unnecessary stockout situation. But it's 2021, and changes and trends are quickly changing. That's why keeping an accurate, up-to-date record of your stock levels is the best way to avoid the pitfalls of overselling. Fortunately, e-commerce inventory management software generates real-time inventory calculations for the most precise reporting possible. When inventory management is in effect, you won't have to worry about the potential for back orders or delayed shipments because whatever a customer orders will be sitting on your shelves and waiting to be shipped out. In case of excess inventory, SellerApp is here with tips that'll help you liquidate your inventory. Over to you, Ria.
Thanks, Alex. Hi, everyone. I'm Ria from SellerApp, and today we will be discussing how you can liquidate all of that excess inventory that you have laying over in that warehouse and that is costing you too much money. So we are going to be discussing 3 strategies that we know are going to work for sure. So first one includes PPC campaigns, second one is including virtual bundles, and third one deals with leveraging discount codes and promotions. So let's get started. So the first strategy deals with ramping up your PPC campaigns. So one reason why you still have excess inventory left if you did not order it in a lot of quantity before is maybe because it's not getting a lot of visibility on Amazon. So if people do not know about your product, they are definitely not going to purchase it. So the first strategy for you is to increase the visibility of your product online. And you can do that by ramping up your budget for PPC campaigns. So once you start investing more on campaigns, your visibility will definitely increase and you can definitely see more sales coming in for your product. So if you are looking for an advertising tool that can do that for you, SellerApp's advertising tool is a perfect option because it ensures profitability and scalability for long terms. SellerApp offers you extensive PPC tools which will help you create a strong foundation and base for your PPC campaigns. That way you can scale up on them using our automated tools as well. So we have some great features like moving keywords from auto to manual campaigns, target converting ASINs, bid optimization, and finding negative keywords available. And all of these features are available in our one advertising suite. If you want to understand more about our product, well, here's a video on the screen that's going to help you understand that. So the second strategy that we're going to be talking about is creating product bundles, and this strategy is only applicable to sellers who are brand registered. Brand registry is now very important on Amazon as it builds up to a loyal customer base. So if you are brand registered on Amazon, you can use Amazon Brand Analytics to find out products that your customers view and buy alongside of your products. So Amazon Brand Analytics is a wonderful tool given to people who are brand registered. The video is on the screen right now that is going to help you understand how Amazon Brand Analytics is important for you. So use those analytics and find the products that your customers are buying alongside of your products and create a bundle of it and sell it together. It works wonderfully well for Q4 because you can bundle it as like a Christmas gift or a Christmas bundle, and I have seen those work for sellers in a really amazing way. The third strategy is leveraging offers and discounts. So you need to understand that customer is always in for a good deal. So you can select a fixed percentage, let's say 20 to 50%, or you can offer a buy one get one free as well. So buy one get one free does work for getting rid of that excess inventory. And I think this is a really good option that if you haven't explored before, you should definitely explore it. The other strategy would be repricing your products, but that is again like running promotion or discounts on them. So do not miss out on this strategy. So that is it that I had to offer for today. Over to you, Alex, and we are going to look at Skubana in action.
Thanks, Rita and SellerApp. That's super helpful information. Without streamlined efforts in warehouse management, online merchants can run into a wide range of fulfillment constraints, from higher costs to wasted time to sizable loss in productivity and profitability. The secret to an organized, effective warehouse is having an inventory management software that details where everything is at any given time. That's because modern supply chain management solutions are incorporating barcode scanning and technology to increase inventory accuracy and improve workflows within your warehouse. So I'm going to hop into Skubana and just give you a little bit of overview into our inventory and automation tools that we offer. Awesome. So I just hopped into Skubana's inventory module. This is our co-founder's account. And I just clicked on this SKU here. We can see that he has 5,200 units on hand across his 6 warehouses that he fulfills out of. The majority of those units are at his 3PL, but he also has 29 units at Amazon US FBA. So Skubana has a native integration with Amazon, which means that we can pull in FBA inventory counts into Skubana so that you have visibility into those counts in our system without having to go look at each SKU in Seller Central. We connect to your warehouse so that they're providing us with real-time data on the number of on-hand units that they have. So here is another example of a SKU. There's 595 units on hand. 175 units of this product are allocated to orders that have been taken in, but those orders have not yet been shipped. And this means that we have 420 units available to sell. So this is actually the number that Skubana is pushing to the sales channels. We can also see that he has 600 units in transit, which means that he has some pending POs that are in an open status. So there's 600 units on the way to the warehouse, but they just haven't yet been received. Another thing that Skubana does in terms of FBA is that you can actually create your FBA shipment plans in Skubana directly. So you no longer need to work between Skubana and Seller Central. You can create these directly in Skubana and we'll communicate them to Amazon. We also make recommendations of the quantity of units that you should send to FBA based on your sales velocity. So we'll show you the number of units sold within the given time frame, sales velocity. We'll do a breakout of days here of the number of units sold across each of these time frames. We'll show you how many units you have at FBA, etc. We also show you some financial information that we are generating based on Amazon fees, profitability data, all of that fun stuff. In terms of automation, one thing that Skubana offers that's really vital to our customers' success is order bots. So order bots are essentially automation rules. Automation rules can be set up and configured by you, the user. Some of our really common ones are used to route orders to various warehouses, which we can do based on stock availability, by state, by SKU, etc. So maybe if the ship to state was California or Alabama, then we would want to route that to a warehouse in Texas or something like that. So we would be able to set that warehouse here. We can also split orders automatically. So that can be handy if you have a customer who orders one back-ordered SKU and one SKU that's in stock. We could automatically split that order so that they're not waiting for that back-ordered SKU to get the SKU that's in stock. There's a lot that we can do here with our order bots, tons of different options for order filters, tons of different options for order actions. Lots that can be done here. Lastly, since we were talking about replenishment and stockouts, one other thing that Skubana offers is we call it auto POs. Essentially, auto POs are recommendations that Skubana makes on what to reorder based on this right here. So these are our automation rules or our auto reorder rules. And basically this is saying based on your sales velocity from the past, maybe you want to do 45 days, you want to reorder to be in stock for the next 100 days. Skubana is going to tell you how many units you should reorder based on this information. We're capturing the vendor information per SKU. So we have the lead time, the cost, etc. That lead time also factors in here because we're going to create a purchase order for you to issue to your vendor prior to running out. So that's where we factor in the lead time per SKU so that we know how far out we need to issue these POs. So again, just picked a random SKU here. But essentially in 20 something years, Chad here would need to reorder 10,000 units based on these parameters that we have set up. So typically these are going to make purchase orders for you within the coming months for high volume SKUs. If it's a lower volume SKU, you obviously wouldn't need a PO as quickly, which is what we're seeing here. Awesome. So thank you all so much for tuning in, and thank you so much, SellerApp, for having us. Really appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Alex, for that amazing presentation, and I can see why Skubana should be your inventory partner. So thank you so much for that. And if you like this video, make sure to give us a like and subscribe to SellerApp's ever-growing channel. We recently hit 10K subscribers, all thanks to you all. So of course, if you want to see any other video, comment down below and we will create the content accordingly. If you haven't checked out our other video, guys, I would advise you to do so. And until the next time I see you, happy selling.